Hello everyone, today I am going to explain how to make flower vase. For this activity, the material which we need: rope, 2 ice cream empty cup, Fevicol, stapler, paper cutter, scissor and this type of beads. The first step is, first we will mark here and cut it. Only this middle part we will cut. Like this, we will cut with the help of the scissors. Now children, you can see cutting is complete, but we will cut only one cup. Second cup we will not cut. And you can see this cup is very small, so I will use this type of sheet like this, and we will hold this cup for height. At home, if you have big size of cup, you can use, but right now I don't have, so I will use this sheet. Now I am going to apply Fevicol. Like this. Now let it dry. Now the next step is, again we will take this wasted sheet and apply Fevicol. Again let it dry. After dry we will cut. Now let's start cutting. Now children, you can see base is complete. Now next step is, this is rope. Children, this is jute rope. First we will apply Fevicol. you can see this flower vase is ready. Now I am going to decorate this. Now children, this area I am going to use black acrylic color. Let it dry for 5 minutes. Now let's decorate. Again here also we will make flower. Now children, you can see this flower vase is ready. Hope you will like this activity and you will do this activity on time. Thank you. Have a nice day.